If you are in your 20s or early 30s in Nigeria right now, I know something about you. You don't just want to survive. You don't just want to earn money. You want to build wealth. You want to grow your money. But the problem is, everybody is talking about investment, but nobody is teaching us the right places to invest. Nobody teaches how, where, and when to invest. And that is why I have come to break it down into practical steps that you can follow and secure your financial freedom. This investment we are talking about is not just crypto, it's not just stock, and it's not only real estate. Investment is whatever you put in your money that has the potential to grow your money over the years, to grow your money with time. As a young Nigerian, the first investment you need is your mindset and your knowledge, because if you don't have the knowledge of risk, patience, and delayed gratification, no matter the kind of investment you put your money, you are most likely to lose your money in that investment. Before you start investing, you need to analyze your livelihood. Are you the person that has emergency savings? Do you live paycheck to paycheck, or do you have high interest debts? Investment is best done with clarity and stability, not gambling. You don't build wealth by rushing. You build wealth by being strategic and being very analytical about your financial dealings. Many young Nigerians think that you need to have millions of naira in your account before starting off investing, but that's not true. You can start small by investing in treasury bill, mutual fund, stocks, or real estate, that is buying land in a developing area. But you need to check the indicators of development like government projects, good roads, markets, schools, and things happening within that area. You can also invest by using payment plan. In some real estate companies, we have 3 to 6 months payment plan that helps you invest, and it makes it very flexible for young people to invest in real estate. The key to building long-lasting wealth and investment is consistency. If you start now investing, in 5 to 10 years from now, you'll be very thankful that you did. Small financial discipline elevates us in levels we don't expect in years to come. As a first-time investor, there are things you need to know. You need to know the worst-case scenario. What are the risks involved in that particular investment you want to embark on? 2, you need to know how long it's going to take for you to reap the return on your investment. And lastly, you need to understand if that investment is a long-term investment or a short-term investment. But the problem that young Nigerians encounter during investment is that they want quick money scheme. They want to deposit 100,000 naira today and reap 2 million naira tomorrow. That is funny, right? So, but in real estate investment, is one of the safest means of investing your money, although it's most times a long time form of investment. But once you check the indicators of a good investment, then you are on the right track. Like I said earlier, you need to check ongoing government infrastructure, good road, market, and other things. You need to work with a reputable real estate professional to help you secure your investment so that you don't fall victim of fraud, especially when you are a first-time investor in the real estate industry. The benefit of real estate investment can never be overly emphasized because 1, landed property never disappears, and with development your property appreciates. It's a long-time form of investment, and your landed property or houses can be resold for a higher value. The real advantage of being young is time, because if you start now that you're 25, 26, 27, 28, or even perhaps in your early 30s investing, you will be one day thankful and grateful to your younger self that you ever did. You don't need to own millions before you start investing. All you need is clarity, discipline, and patience. I still remain your real estate expert, Jikanu Mary Ezinne, based here in the city of Enugu. I help individuals like you to spot and secure strategic real estate investment that don't only guarantee peace of mind but also high return on investment.